Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you send a message on your phone? Well, we've got a cool tech tidbit for you. A recent post on Reddit from the R Technology subreddit breaks it down in a way that's super easy to understand. So, let's get into it. When you hit send, your message travels through various layers of technology like a digital treasure map. It starts with your phone connecting to a cell tower, which acts like the first stop on your message's journey. From there, it hops onto the internet backbone, bouncing through servers and networks before finally reaching the person you sent it to. Why should you care? Understanding this tech journey not only boosts your digital literacy, but helps you appreciate the amazing infrastructure that makes real-time communication possible. Plus, being tech-savvy can help you troubleshoot issues or choose the right apps for your needs. Key takeaway? Next time you send a message, remember it's not just a click. It's a mini adventure through a complex web of technology. And if you're ever curious about how something works, dive into resources like Reddit to uncover all the fascinating details. This is today's tech update for July 26, 2025.